Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate credit period in Excel. So here you can see data, customer name, invoice date, payment date. To calculate the credit period, select the sale is equal to, select the payment date minus, select the invoice date B2 and press the enter. You can see the credit period here calculated. Select the sale, double click on this corner point and here you see data field below customer also. To calculate the status, select the sale is equal to, type here if, select the if function, select the D2 carry period, then less than is equal to 15, comma, double quote, type excellent, then double quote, comma, again type if, select the if function, in bracket select the D2, then less than is equal to 30, then comma, double quote, type here good, again double quote, comma, double quote, type the delayed, then double quote, bracket close, bracket closed. Here in this formula, if D2 is a credit period, is less than is equal to 15, then status will excellent. If D2 is less than is equal to 30, then status will good, otherwise delay. Press the enter and that's it. You can see the 14 credit period is excellent status because it's less than is equal to 15. Okay, so I select the, double click on this corner and here you see here the one bonus trick to highlight credit period with the conditional formatting. So select here the credit period column, then go to the Home tab. In Styles group, click on the Conditional Formatting. Click on the Highlight Size rule and click on here the greater than. Now here I type the 15, the greater than 15 highlight with the color. I just click on this drop down arrow. Here I select the light red field with the dark red text. After that, click on OK and here you see. So here you can see the greater than 50 great period showing the red highlighted. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.